If you don't know already, Google releases new major Android updates each year. Last year we had Android 11, this year we have Android 12, and I have it installed on my Pixel 4a in beta, which is as close as it will get to the final version, and that's why I'm making this video highlighting 10 awesome features that comes with Android 12. So sit back, relax, drop a like to this video. This is Philip's Future and let's get started. Material U is Google's main highlight this year with Android 12 and it's amazing. It's beautiful for real. Material U basically means you and me get the most control out of our phones as far as customization is concerned. Check out this. When I change a wallpaper, the system creates a custom color palette from the wallpaper and applies it to all the components in the OS. From the notification toggles to the menus to the volume controls, among others. This not only brings out uniformity in the operating system, but also makes the software components neat and consistent in my opinion. Moving on to the lock screen has also received a revamp. The clock is now huge when you have no notifications at all, and its color matches the wallpaper's main color from the palette. There is also this cool effect when you lock and unlock your phone, which is really eye-catching. New design changes are always welcome, gives new life to a phone, and Android 12 is no different. Pulling down to access quick settings, you can see a whole new look with these huge toggles with rounded corners, which is prominent in Android 12 as of now. I don't know how I feel about this change because we are used to small toggles, but this means that you can quickly turn on or off what settings you want without missing. The brightness slider is huge, which also extends to the volume controls. The internet toggle has been modified to include both your cellular data connections and Wi-Fi connections in one place, which is kinda cool and organized. You can still add other tiles by just clicking the pencil icon like you would on Android 11, but keep in mind there's not a lot of room. Music controls still remain below the quick toggles and the rest of your notifications below that as well, with a counter if you have more than one notifications from the same app until you tap on it to expand the notification. And now when you want to shut down or restart your phone, you can just tap on this icon and a pop-up like screen with all the power options will appear. Widgets have also got a huge visual overhaul, starting from the widget speaker. That, correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like they got an inspiration from Apple, which isn't a bad thing at all. This new one is way organized, it's easier to find the widgets. As you can see, all the widgets are now categorized under the app and not cluttered like it is in Android 11. The new widgets that, by the way, look beautiful have not yet landed in this beta build, but if you can't wait, you can still get that experience on your Android phone through some third-party apps that are linked down below. Hopping to the settings page, you can see 100 mode operation put in consideration. Huge titles on top of the screen, and this extends to other settings as well, something that Oxygen OS from OnePlus and One UI from Samsung has been doing for ages now, but it's finally found its way to stock Android. Talking of 100 mode, hopping into system settings, then gestures, you get an option to turn on 100 mode by just swiping down from the home screen. You can also set timeouts that will auto-exit to full screen mode when the timer runs out, or just leave it at never until you tap the blank area. When scrolling anywhere in the OS or in any app, you get this cool elastic-like animation when you reach at the bottom or the top of the page. It feels good. There's also another effect when you tap on menus within the operating system. Did you catch that? Okay, I'll do it again. A lot of people thought it was a bug and reported it. I don't think it looks appealing either, and that's why I hope it doesn't get its way to stable version, because it just doesn't feel right. There's a lot of animations baked into Android 12, but the ones I interacted with the most are the scroll, tap, and this cool charging animation when you plug in. Every time Google launches a newer version of Android, they talk about privacy, and with this version, it gets even more private. In settings, under privacy, you get a privacy dashboard page, and here you can monitor which apps use what permissions at what time. The main ones being location, camera, and microphone. Under each of those, you get insights on what exact time which apps used the permission, and if you didn't approve, you can easily revoke the permissions from right there. If that's not enough, you can entirely block camera and microphone access so no app can use it without your consent, which is a really great move by Google. You also get these camera and microphone icons that turns to a dot on the status bar if an app is accessing your camera or microphone or both to let you know. Another privacy feature that is not yet available in this beta is the ability to set an approximate location instead of your precise location, so you don't expose your exact location to apps that don't really need that. These are just some of the goodies that Android 12 has to offer. Of course, there's a lot of under the hood changes, like a 22% increase in CPU load time for smoother Android experience, among others. Some of these features might even be removed, like the tap effect animation, so let's keep an eye on the stable version that will drop later this year. Anyway, what do you think of Android 12? Personally, I love it. Other than being skeptical about the quick notification toggles, Material You is beautiful in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment sections and let's have a chat. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, and most of all, stay safe.